On the Dropbox desktop app, you can save stuff by dragging and dropping files and folders directly into the app. On your desktop, you can save stuff directly to Dropbox, the same way you would save any document. Or you can simply drag and drop a file or folder to your Dropbox folder in File Explorer in Windows or in the Finder window in Mac. If you're signed into Dropbox.com, you can save and upload your stuff to your account by using the Upload Files button. Or just drag and drop your file into the folder or Dropbox space you want. If you're using an iOS mobile device, just open the Dropbox app, tap the plus button, then choose Upload Photos. If you're using an Android mobile device, just open the Dropbox app, tap the plus button, then choose Upload Photos and Videos.